In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to play local play with friends in Insurgency Sandstorm and whether or not it is possible to do this. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the options that you have to play with friends and local play, how it works, and if it's possible for you to set it up so only you and your friends can play. So, as you might be aware, on consoles and basically any release of Insurgency, you are not able to create private lobbies. Whenever you go over to invite a friend or you browse through all of the modes, you will be matched up with random people. And even though you can pair up with a friend, to go over to matchmaking, you cannot create a private lobby, meaning only you and him are matched up. So, as it stands today, the answer to the question at the title of this video is that sadly, doing local play with friends only is impossible. The only option that you would have to play with friends would be to be matched up against random people. Now, if you are on PC, you can rent or create a custom server, but this process takes a while and you would have to host a server on your own and then your friends would be able to join you. But for basically all platforms, especially console, since you are not able to create private games or local matches, it is sadly impossible to play with only your friends. The only option that you have would be to be matched up against random people like I said. You can still do co-op and so on against bots, but with friends, it is not allowed for you to do so. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that Insurgency Sandstorm is extremely lackluster when it comes to local play and playing with friends. They don't give players the option to do private lobbies or private matches, and because of this, whenever you want to play with your friends, you will have to be matched up with other random people together if you want to play with your friends included. It is unfortunate, and unless they add the option to create private lobbies in the future, it is going to remain this way, where you can only play by yourself in local play. I hope I was able to answer any questions that you had. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.